Okay, good morning and a very warm welcome to all of you. And in this video, actually we are now in the social study part 2 and the chapter is chapter 9 and the topic is transport and communication India. Okay, means the transport and communications of India. So in this we have done the total part of this one, transport, and in the communication part what we have done? We have done the communication meaning, importance, okay, and what? Yes, only meaning and importance. So in this video we will be going through the the modes of communication. Okay, what are the modes of communication? These are the modes of communication. Okay, so we will be discussing it one by one. In today's world there are various modes of communication. In today's world there are various modes. I told you what is communication. Okay, when we are interacting, then it is means the convenience of message, but this message can go from one person to other person in various modes. So those modes we will be discussing. So what are those modes? In today's world there are various modes of communication. They are broadly divided into two categories. They are broadly divided into two categories, that is personal and mass communication. Personal and mass. Okay, personal means single. How it is? Letters, postal letters, previous days, telephone, telegram, fax, email, internet. These are all the personal means of communication. Whereas mass communication means when we are interacting with the whole world, whole country, or more than 10 people, 15 people. That time a person is the leaders, the political leaders. Okay, they are giving the dialogues. Okay, in front of several people, that is also a communication, and that type of thing is the mass communication. Radio, television, magazine books are there. They publish the book for the whole of the country. Okay, so that is mass. Mass means the total population, and books comes under mass communication. Okay, now we will be describing you one by one. First is the postal communication. What is this postal communication? This is one of the most important communication system that existed for a long time in India. It existed for a long time. Before there was telephone and all, this postal service was there, and people used to write letters and they used to post it in the post office so that it will go to their respective address, and whatever I have written, that person will get that letter and they will understand that yes, I want to communicate or I want to tell all these things. Post offices provides many services such as delivering letters, packets, parcel. Suppose I want to send one deodorant for my friend on his birthday. I can parcel it and I can post it through post office. Money orders. Previously people used to, now we are having the banking methods for money transfer. But previously what happened, it was not like that. The digital marketing, banking was not there, e-banking was not there, banking was not there. So what to do? Okay, that time people use money orders. If I go to post office, I will give the money also. That money they will be transferring to that place, the address what I have written, etc., from one place to another. Telecommunication. What is this telecommunication? It refers to communication over a distance. Telecommunication means telephone. Okay, from a distance. I am here, my friend is there in Mumbai, I can talk over a phone, now mobile. Okay, so it refers to communication over a distance by cables, telegraph, telephone, fax, mobiles, etc. These are the things. Okay, gradually it became modernized. Okay, previously we was having landline, then only we got the cordless, then only we get the mobile, that is also black and white. Then it came color, then smartphone, gradually it came smartphone. Okay, so that's why it is written here cable, telegraph, telephone, fax, mobile, etc. Telecommunication has reached every corner of the country in India. Anywhere in India you can talk in phone, whatever it is. If it is landline also you can talk, if it is mobile also you can can talk. Okay, as well as around the globe, not only in India. If you want to talk in USA, you can talk, no problem. Okay, so telecommunication is such a communication which enables us to talk any part of the world. Telephone and mobile services has replaced telegraphic service. Previously, it was tram call. Okay, means that time also landline was also not there. So how to do? Whatever the message you will do there, means if you have to give it in writing, they will be sending it to the nearest post office of that address, and there it will be written like this. That is a system, very old system. Now after these mobiles and telephones have come, they are out of the market. Next is radio and television. This one you all know, radio, where we can't see but we can get all the communicative parts. Okay, radio also they give the news, even the sports also, but the main thing is that visualization is not there. Television visualization is there. Radio and television are very popular mode of mass communication. Even in remote or rural areas, people access to radio and television. Even in the villages also in today's world, they are having at least, if they are not having mobiles also, no, mobiles is also there, you go to any part, but very remote area also, you will go in the villages, at least 4-5 houses, they are having this radio and television. In rural areas, these are used by agriculture sector. Agricultural sector means the farmers, okay, mainly the farmers. They used to check the programs being telecasted in the TV regarding the agriculture part, so that they can have the knowledge of agriculture training part. See, to get updated information regarding agricultural issues. What are the agricultural problem? Means suppose this year rainfall will be less. So from the very beginning they will be starting their this one, taking protection for that. Okay. Commodity prices. What are the prices going on in the market? Weather forecasting. Training session, how to do the cropping, what time you should take out your crop, like that. Okay, so these are the things, mainly the farmers. Television is very useful for the farmers, even for all the people. Entertainment purpose, news we can get, sports, each and everything, whatever you need, you can get. They also provide educational, entertainment, information program. Okay, educational programs are there, quiz and all are there. Entertainment, these serials and all, whatever you can say, these cartoons. Information regarding the news are the information part. All India Radio was started in 1930. In 1930 the radio service was started. Okay, All India Radio, and it was that time very much popular, because in that set only you can't visualize but you can hear, and all the news throughout the world, throughout the country, you can gather from there. TV broadcasting was started under the name of Doordarshan. First it was only one channel, now hundreds of channels are there. It was Doordarshan and it was started in 1959. Okay, so 1959 we got TV services in India, and 1930 we got this radio. Now next is the newspaper. Newspaper you all know, morning only you will get. Okay, newspaper are very important and vital media of communication which comes under print media. In printing it will come. More than 1 lakh of different newspapers and periodicals in different languages are registered in India. Lakhs of papers are there, because regional. In Karnataka only, I think if you go to a shop and morning you check how many papers, 30 or 40 varieties of papers by other companies' name, it will come. Out of these, 41 newspapers have a history of more than 100 years, before 200 years only. Okay, this newspaper has come. Newspaper came before this radio and television, and out of this, 41 newspapers have a history of more than 100 years. The oldest and still existing newspaper of India is Bombay Samachar. Now it become New Mumbai Samachar, because Bombay, the name has changed to Mumbai. In Gujarati language, it started in 1822, means almost 200 years ago. Last but not the least, that is the main mode of transport, that is the satellite and computer networks. The development of electronic technology and space science has brought about great change in communication. These are the, whatever we have discussed, these are small one. The big one is the development of electronic technology and space science. Computer network has provided internet facility, email service, etc. Artificial satellite has started a new era in the history of global telecommunication. Radio and TV networking in India are done through satellite technology only. If your satellite is not there, you can't see the TV, you can't talk to other persons in mobiles. Okay, the satellite is the main thing. Now the Geographical Information System GIS, Global Positioning System GPS and Remote Sensing Technology have developed great use in India. These are the things which in the keywords you can go through it. What is this GIS, GPS, Remote Sensing Technology? These are the main thing for which nowadays we are having, see, Karlo Duniya Mutti Mein, the main word for Reliance. How this Google, how it is working? It is totally on the network. What network? This is the satellite. Okay, if I am calling you from here to here, you don't think that from my mobile it is going to you. Okay, it will go to satellite and then only through network again it will come to here. So you should go through the keywords regarding GIS, GPS and remote sensing technology. Very this one small thing I will tell you. GIS, the full form of GIS is Geographical Information System. GPS is Global Positioning System, and Remote Sensing Technology, it collects information regarding Earth's surface. It gathers information about the distance between two objects without touching it from the sensor. Okay, through its reflected and emitted radiation. Aerial and satellite photos are taken through remote sensing. Remote sensing, one thing I am telling you, if you go for a metro rail, no, you can see the doors, they will close automatically, they will open automatically. Once you come to there, the sensation is there, it attracts the sensation. That is the remote sensing technology. So with this, we have completed this chapter, that is the transport and communication in India. In the next video, we will go with the economics part, that is the globalization of businesses. Thank you and have a very nice day.